How to make the world's easiest naan bread. All you're going to need is a bit of flour, baking powder, and yogurt. That's simple. Add a half cup of yogurt, a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and mix it all together. Don't forget to add the salt just to taste. Then you're going to want to knead it. This is where you're really going to find out how good your dough is, because the feel should be quite consistent. It should be soft and easy to ball. Now you're going to want to roll them into little balls. Fold them in the back and smooth them out on top. Then you can roll them really easily. Just push the rolling pin on them, then you flip it halfway, upside down, and go again. You don't need flour for this or anything. You just roll it on your surface and it should turn out absolutely perfectly. So just keep doing this until you have perfect rounds, and then we'll prepare the pan. You want to put some butter, let it start melting, and then you want to add some garlic paste to it. Mix it together, let it brown a little bit, and then you chuck the naan on top. So once the naan has started to cook a little bit, put a lid on it and let it steam. That is the real secret. Let it go, you'll see it forming bubbles. Just put the lid on, squish the bubbles down a little bit, and it's going to be absolutely perfect. So when you take it out, cut it up, chuck some yogurt on it, and serve it with your curry. The best naan ever.